I know how much you guys IO of watching bad drivers and idiots come to ether on your screens and act like for our entertainment, so we thought about keeping you tuned in for a little longer than usual. Here are minutes of idiots and cars for you, so you might want to grab something to eat before we begin. If you're ready, then let's begin right away. It's a blood-curdling video. The biker is very lucky because he is still alive. I think that the driver's licenses of elderly drivers in traffic should be checked more often. Because some of them can behave very dangerously in traffic.
Listen, I forgive you. Okay? Just be careful. It's okay. You're alright. Thank you for not hitting me. Thank you. But since you're here, do you want to do a drag race? Okay. Okay.
The reason for the fight between bikers and car drivers is unknown. Some bikers do not obey the rules and this angers the car drivers. We don't know what happened before this video, but it is certain that they were fighting.
You're telling me you for driving behind you on a road?
Yeah.
Wait for vehicles? How are you telling me me?
You're this
So
close to
I
me.
should drive around?
Yeah, you should, because that's the law.
Bike lane for you on this road, eh?
Go back to Princess and Division. There's a big green bike sign.
Yeah.
This is a shared lane.
Okay, so I can't drive behind you?
No, there's 5 feet behind you, you can't.
5 feet behind you, you moron. I can see your whole back wheel.
Exactly.
You're a dumbass. You're f***ing dumb.
What's the braking distance for this piece of shit? Yeah.
Look at the bike you're on. You're not a piece of shit. I'm driving an $80,000 truck. Good, and you? It's a 2021, bud. Piece of shit, eh? You're driving
What's the braking distance? What's the braking
You're an
distance?
idiot.
What's the braking
I'm
distance?
allowed to drive on a road, okay?
So am I.
Okay, I'm doing 30. The braking distance is probably about 5 feet. Look at the tires on it.
You know what the braking distance
You're
for
a
this
fucking
is?
idiot.
No, you're an idiot, buddy. Did you see yourself on YouTube?
Huh?
Did you see yourself on YouTube?
No, I don't. Can you get away from me, buddy? Because I got my daughter with me right now. I really don't want to do anything to you. Just get the out of here.
Now you're threatening me.
No, I didn't threaten you at all.
Yes, you
You
did.
just rolled up on me just now. No, I didn't repeat my sentences. I didn't threaten you at all.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You said, get away from me because I got my daughter in my
Yes,
car.
I got my daughter with me, and I really don't want to be yelling at you or doing anything like this.
Well, you should check out MOTO Madness
Okay. Can
because
you go away,
your
though?
dumb ass is on there.
Can you go away?
Yeah, I'm going away.
This video is a bit strange because there are different events in the video other than the fight. This biker was driving calmly, but a crazy Audi driver wanted to corner the biker. Angered by this situation, the biker chases him and corners him in the future. Let's see what happens next.
I want to talk to you. Talk. Talk.
Come
Talk.
on,
You're on your phone.
Why
You're on your phone. That's why I did it.
Why you hit my mirror? What?
I didn't touch. Car. Distracted. Right, let's talk.
What is your problem?
Right, you're on your phone. You were distracted. Traffic was moving.
And what? Is your problem?
That-
It's your problem? No. Why you hit my
I didn't even
mirror?
hit your mirror.
You hit my mirror.
No, I didn't. Let's have a look then.
You see,
Let's have a look.
it's nothing here because
Exactly, nothing.
if I hit your bike, you see something? No. Be right,
If
yeah?
I did, the mirror, right? Just listen. If it was, there would be markings on your car. There's no markings. Idiot!
You, sure.
Idiot!
Say sorry.
Right, my mobile phone is in here.
Yeah, because you...
This is a £145 Bluetooth headset.
And?
Do you know how much yours cost? £5.
Yeah.
The only thing you're legally allowed to use whilst on the phone is to check your continuous glucose monitor for type with diabetes and a walkie-talkie. That's it.
Yeah.
Half your licence already gone, £200 fine. How do you like that?
Record me. Show me. Delete this.
What?
Delete my face from your camera. If not, I call
I'm not clued up about technology, mate. I'm not clued up. You see the edge of that bike? 31-year-old. That's how much I like technology. If I can't fix it, speak the Queen's English, so I can understand what you're saying.
Why you record? Take camera.
No, I'm not taking it off. No. I'm not taking it off. You can record me as much as you want, you're still illegal, mate. Still illegal!
Yeah?
Still illegal!
I told you.
Your engine is running! You're illegal! Read the rules on the road about your phone! Kid.
There are a few things that bikers hate the most. It means getting too close to them and passing them too quickly. If you pass a biker too fast and the biker is a novice, you can make him fall.
You have to get so close. It's not illegal, it's in the highway code. It's in the highway code, love. It's in the highway code, love. Tailgating's illegal. You'll be on YouTube later, love. You're all right. I'm reporting. I'm reporting you to the police. An idiot, love. YX61 VOO. Look at this, look at this. You're getting reported to the police. You're getting reported.
This video is a video that shows that there can be polite people in traffic. A car passes by this biker, but on the way it hits the biker and the biker's foot gets hurt. And after chasing this biker guy, he manages to catch him.
There's a bay there, mate. Pull over. There's a bay there, pull over. You hit me, it's on camera, I'm recording you, it's on camera, pull over, mate.
I hit you.
You did. My boot is fucked. Pull over. Please. Come on, yes. Pull over, we told, pull over. Yes, go. Yes. Mate, you wanna get to the corner because it's not a nice place to stop. Why did you go into me, mate? Look. That was you. That was all you. Why did you do that? I was already in front of you. Do you have insurance?
I just want to just go home, boss. That's it.
Do you have insurance?
I have insurance. That's what I'm saying.
Alright.
So what do you want to do? Take out my insurance?
What do you want to do? Do you want to pay for it? It's just a boot. You want to pay for the boot?
I'll pay for the boot.
How?
You take my number,
And then never hear from you again.
Boss, look at my van, yeah?
I see your van.
Do you think, yeah, I'm scared of this stuff?
It's not scared, mate, but I was already in front of you. Why did you hit me?
You want to take my insurance? I'm telling you, it's a long process. Yeah?
I know. No, look.
Look at my van. There,
Look,
there,
that happened to me
everywhere.
already.
Everybody on me.
That's not on you, mate. What? You hit me.
everybody-
I didn't hit you. You
Everybody's
hit
always
me.
On me. Look, you want some more? He took some more off of that one. And then another person.
The driver of the car that crashed into the bike is a very polite person and apologizes to the biker many times and offers to tie the biker's shoelaces. The motorcyclist was very angry at first, but thanks to the kindness of the car driver, he immediately calmed down.
Look, you didn't damage the bike. I appreciate that. You fucked my boot, alright?
Can I fix it for you?
You can get me another one.
Can I fix it for you right now?
No, you can't. That part is missing.
I'll fix your boot right now.
No.
I'll fix it for you right now.
No, look, that is missing.
Come in. I'll fix your boot right now. Look, see? It's looking good. Look.
Yeah.
Watch it. It's looking good. Wow. It's looking good. Look,
Mate, look at that. Look.
It's looking good.
Alright, you listen to me. I didn't get injured. I don't care about the insurance. If you pay the boot, I'm good with you.
Take my number, man.
Otherwise, it's on camera.
Take my number.
Alright. What's your number? Look, I'll be honest with you.
See? It's cool.
Right. I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. Listen, if you pay for the boot, we're friends. We're good, okay?
Yeah. No, because I'm not really.
Mate.
I don't want to argue.
You good?
And I don't want no problems either.
I don't. It's just a headache, right?
No.
I want to go home as well, mate. Take care, all right? Be careful.
Hey, drive safe, man.
I was already in front of you. You hit me. Okay.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are